BBK Performance is one of the most well-known names in the Mustang community. If you've been in the hobby for a while, at some point in time you've had a BBK Performance part on your Mustang. They've been around since the Fox body days and are still building high-quality parts for today's modern Mustang. Today we're going to take a closer look at their cold air intake for the 2018 through 2019 Mustang GT and install it on our 2018 Cheez Whiz. This BBK cold air intake kit is going to be a direct replacement for the factory intake kit on your 2018 through 2019 Mustang GT, and no tune is required for installation. If you're into this car show scene, it's available in the chrome finish shown here, and it's also available in a black finish. It includes the metal heat shield, the inlet tube, a high quality filter, all necessary hardware for installation. And best of all, it's made right here in the USA. For this installation, they need a 1/4 inch ratchet, at least a 3 inch extension, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, T10 Torx bit, T20 Torx bit, and pliers. The first step of the installation is going to be to remove the factory intake. Now, our car, the factory intake has been removed already, so we're going to show you some stock footage of how to do so. Right now, starting on the fender, we'll work our way in, removing all the stuff so you can remove the cold air intake. Start with this bolt right here on the apron. Remove the mass air sensor, pull out on the red tab underneath. Pop that off. Make sure you pull it off the airbox as well. Basically just give the clip a little shimmy, it'll come off. Put it out of the way. Now release this, push in this black tab on the outside. This one you'll see a little gray clip underneath. Push on the clip. Just like that to remove that out of the way. And this imposer, set of pliers on it. Get that out of the way as well. Now we'll loosen the clamp at the throttle body. Remove the tube from the throttle body. Pull this imposer off the airbox. And remove the whole intake as one piece. You remove this grommet here, and then your mass air sensor. This one, just push the metal through. Remove the grommet from the bottom. This will just pop off. Sometimes this one actually gets stuck in the car, and this just unscrews. Okay, with the factory intake removed, the only pieces we're going to need are the bolt that holds it to the fender and the mass air sensor itself. All right, the first step here is to remove this radiator cover. Just pull out all the push pins and put it aside. Okay, now we're going to remove these two bolts here for the radiator mount. We're ready to install the BBK heat shield, but the first thing you want to do is grab this rubber trim. This is going to basically go on this circle here where the tube is going to go through. This is usually a little bit longer, but if it is short, just make sure the gap's at the bottom, that way you won't see it. I'm going to put the shield down into place, put it next to the fresh air duct, over that stud, and line it up with the factory bolt hole over here. Install these two bolts here, and the original bolt you removed over in the fender well. Okay, and then line this up over here. Reinstall the factory bolt. All right, now we need to seal up the airbox. Grab these two seals. We're going to start with the round one. You can put this one aside. All right, take this first, and we're going to cut a slit in it. Now, what this is for your mass air sensor harness. So put the harness in the middle. This is going to go right through this opening down here. Okay, now grab this, and we're going to start all the way at the front here. Just going to press on. Trim off any excess. Now grab the intake tube and your mass air sensor. It will only fit in one way, so if the holes don't line up, just flip it. It means you have it backwards. Grab the supplied screws and tighten them down. Now you want to grab the blue silicone coupler. Grab this vacuum adapter. This is the bottom of it. Let's just push this in until it's flush. Now we connect this adapter from the tube to the throttle body. And tighten down the clamps. Get everything snug for now. Go back and make some final adjustments and then tighten them all the way down. Okay, grab our filter. Put it down behind the shield. All right, now we grab the rest of the hardware in the kit. This vacuum tree, rubber hose, 2 clamps, and these 2 caps. These caps, one's gonna go on the end. Just twist it on. The other one, go right here. Put that like that and leave the clamps loose for now. Once we put it in the car, we'll make some adjustments. The large opening will be for the sound tube. Second fitting goes here to the valve cover. Connect to the cold air kit. Okay, now we're going to loosen the clamps now that everything's on here. Make some adjustments, get this thing to fit. I found here, actually, I moved the clamp to the inside, getting a lot more bite this way, so I think I'm going to do it this way. Okay, now we're going to connect this over here to the side of the throttle body coupler. Finally, take our mass air sensor wire here. Plug it in, lock the clip, and your installation is finished. Our chrome BBK performance intake really pops under the hood, but again, if you're looking for more of a stealth look, it is also available in a black finish. Now again, we're going to have a little more sound out of this intake, and according to BBK, some horsepower gains in the mid and lower RPM band as well. Now, as far as the installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. Give yourself an hour to an hour and a half, you'll be back on the road in no time.